every time you're never going to choose Elizabeth.
Mary Stuart hasn't chosen to come to Scotland. The death of her husband, the King of France, just left her with no role in the French court.
She's sort of unmoored when she arrives in Scotland, and she's got these big, brash Scottish lords who are really not too sure about having this, bonny wee lassie as their queen.
To Mary, Scotland must seem like Afghanistan, a mountainous country of feuding clans, warlords and religious fanatics. She's a Catholic, and many of them are fiercely Protestant. Her indifference is an insult to these men, and will prove to be a dangerous mistake. Instead, her ambition makes her look south, to England and Elizabeth's crown.
She has to be forced back to Scotland, and when she's there, when she arrives, she nags on about being recognised as Elizabeth's successor.
I am the nearest kinswoman she has, being both of us of one house and stock.
As the great-granddaughter of Henry VII, Mary has a strong claim to be named Elizabeth's successor, so the English Queen has every reason to be wary.
If it became known who would succeed me, I would never think myself secure.
Tensions between Catholics and Protestants are worsening across Europe. Many people fear that just the presence of Queen Mary could inflame the passions of English Catholics. One reason England had become Protestant was so that Henry VIII could marry Anne Boleyn, Elizabeth's mother.
English Catholics had a settled hatred for Anne Boleyn. They always favoured Mary, Queen of Scots' claim over Elizabeth's. They called her bastardised Elizabeth.
In the eyes of Catholic Europe, Mary, the good Catholic that she is the rightful heir to the English throne.
Catholic Europe could back Mary if she tried to seize the English throne, a threat that obsessed Elizabeth's chief minister, Lord Burleigh.
The Queen of Scots is and always will be a dangerous person to your estate. She cannot forbear from her continual ardent desire to possess the crown.